Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Now I will present the final exam English. It is about the country travel requirements, and the country I choose is South Korea. And before I start the presentation, I will introduce myself. My name is Yeni Salva, and I'm from English class A. Okay, so about South Korea. South Korea is a country located in East Asia, rich in tourism research. The traditional culture and modern culture collaborate so that tourists can experience various experiences while traveling. Each region has its own unique identity, so tourists can enjoy a variety of culture, natural environments, and unique foods. And then the most popular in South Korea is K-pop music and the Korean drama. And the topic number one is about the travel document. So for foreigners, if we want to enter the South Korea, it must have one is passport. So the passport is as identity card, and the recommended passport is with validity period more than 6 months. And the number two is Q code. So Q code is like the traveler must fill the blank or form, and the Q code is about the uh, health condition or health declaration. And the next topic is visa. So, if you want to go to the South Korea, the foreigner, especially from Indonesia, must have a visa. To make visa is located in KVAC or Korean Visa Application Center is located in Jakarta, Indonesia. There is requirements documents to make a visa. First is visa application form. Number two is photo. And number three is original passport. And number four is work certificate written in English and proof of check payment. And next is business license and SPT from the previous year for entrepreneur. And the number six is student certificate obtained from the school for student. And number seven is for those who are not yet working, they must attach a graduation certificate from their last school. And 8 is attachment of photocopy of KTP, and 9 is photocopy of family card. Okay, the next topic is about immigration and custom. First is people who are prohibited to enter the South Korea. First is person carrying an epidemic disease, narcotic addicts, or others person deemed likely to cause danger and harm to the public health. And number two is person who intend to enter the Republic of Korea unlawfully carrying firearms and guns, swords, explosives, etc. As prescribed by the Control of Firearms, Swords, Explosive, and etc. Number three is person deemed likely to commit any act detrimental to national interest of the Republic of Korea or public safety. And number four is person deemed likely to commit any act detrimental to economic or social order or good morals. And number five is mentally handicapped person, vagabonds, the destitute or other person in need of relief. And the last one, number six, is persons for whom 5 years have not elapsed after departure from the Republic of Korea under a deportation order. The next topic is about the tax-free. Import duties and tax for drink containing ethyl alcohol, tobacco, and perfume can be exempted even if they exceed the tax exemption value $600 with the condition. First is the alcohol maximum 1 liters and the price under from $400. And number 2 is tobacco and cigarettes. The cigarettes maximum is 400 and the cigars maximum is 50. And if there are two types of tobacco, then only one type is tax free. And the last one is perfume with maximum is 60 milliliters. However, this tax exemption does not apply to passengers under 19 years of age. And the next topic is prohibited items. So first is books, publication, films, recordings, video, status, and other similar items that disturb constitutional order, safety, or damage public morale. And the number 2, item containing classified information on government activities or used to carry out intelligence mission. And the number 3 is counterfeit or duplicated currency, bonds, and securities. The next topic is limited imported goods. So the goods below are limited import goods. If passengers want to bring in one of the items below, they must prove that the item has met the requirements such as permits, approval, and marking according to applicable laws and regulations. So first is weapons such as guns, swords, and items that are included in the explosive chemical listed in the regulation. And number 2 is illegal drugs regulated in the narcotics regulation and psychotropic control regulation. And number 3 is animal and plants or goods that are regulated and restricted according to CITES or Convention on International Trade in Endangered Species, maybe it's such as pet or birds and others. And number 4 is goods that are classified as commercial types included goods that must be checked by custom. Okay, and the last topic is about the cabin and budget. So the airlines I choose flight from the Indonesia to Korea is Air Asia Airlines. So first is the passenger are allowed to bring one cabin budget with the dimension not exceeding 56 cm x 36 cm x 23 cm, including handles, wheels, and side back pockets. The luggage must be able to fit into the cabin budget compartment. And the number 2 is passengers can also bring one small piece of luggage in the form of a laptop bag, a handbag, backpack, or other small bag that does not exceed 40 cm x 30 cm x 10 cm. This luggage must fit under the seat in front of you. So the total luggage allowed into the cabin for these 2 pieces of luggage is a maximum of 7 kilograms. And following the international travel standard, you may not bring the following items into restricted security area and into the aircraft. So first is pointed or sharp weapons and sharp objects such as axes, spears, knives, arrows. And next is a betting equipment, such as baseball bat, a softball bat, a pole stick, and etc. Number three is batteries, like a lithium ion batteries, and backup batteries. And number four is pistol, firearm, and weapons. And next is explosive and flammable substance. And number six is chemical and toxic substances. And the last one is live plants and flower. Okay, so it's my presentation about the travel requirements for entering the South Korea. Thank you, and I'm sorry if I have a mistake. Enough for me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.